Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix screen share audio not working on Discord server. If you want to share basically a video and the audio is not working, the one thing you can do is actually just click right here on unmute, or basically when you want to create a voice channel, you're gonna you can choose a text channel, post images, stickers, and if you want to screen share voice and video, then you just click on this one. You basically name your channel, and the audio should work because Discord is now updated, and you don't need to do anything else because recently it didn't work, but now it should work. And there are some settings you can edit, but I believe that's you can choose video quality, but audio should work also. But you will need to unmute yourself, and that should work basically. So if this helps, please comment down below and like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and take care. Bye.